Hi all, in this video I am going to show how a teacher can assign a homework to the student and how the student will return back to the teacher. And the primary step is logging into our smart class application through the username and password. And now you can see that I entered username and password on my screen and click on sign in button. Now you will be logged into our smart class application. Now you can see that different types of modules on the screen like attendance, assignment, parent communication and like many. Now click on the module assignment. Now here you can see that the last date of submission, for example let us take 1, and the grade is nothing but a class and section and subject is max. Here you can see that section and group, that which is nothing but the assignment or an homework can be assigned to a section of students or a group of people. Let us take for example section. Now here write the title like max homework on triangles. Now the message is please draw a right angle triangle and the degree in each corner. Now we have to attach a file by which the student can look and write his assignment. Now let us select that assignment. Here it is. After attaching the assignment, now click on assign button. Now here this is the step to assign the assignment to the students. Okay, so far we have seen how a teacher can assign the homework to a student. Now I am going to show how a student will return the homework. Okay, let me log in into parent app, and this is a parent app with respect to username and password. Now you will see that I log in into and parent app. Now click on the homework module. You can see the list of homeworks that were given by the teacher, and this is the homework. Now you can see that the scrolling, your assignment submission due is in 1 day, and here is the details like due date, nothing but the last date of submission, and the teacher name and guidelines and score of the assignment has been given. And now you should submit the assignment. Click on attach file. You have to write the assignment and you have to attach that image. Okay, it's uploading. Now click on submit assignment. Okay, it's submitted. Now again let me log in into the teacher application again, because has to verify the completed homework. Okay, now I am in class application. Now here click on previous homeworks, and here you know the max homework, and here you get the student name. Click on it, and this is the student attachment, that which is attached by the student. Open it. If it is correct, click right and click on right button. Okay, now you can give the feedback to the student like very good, send. Click on send button. Now click on approve button. By this, the teacher has corrected and verified the student assignment.